All right, it's time to browse the Moncler website. So it is January 12th, 2025. This is the home page. Take a look on the top. We have the latest, new in for him, her, year of the snake. Just like every website we are doing, the Lunar New Year is around the corner and it is the year of the snake. So a lot of companies have collections. So we can start with that. Let's see what they are doing. So celebrate the year of the snake, shop the collection featuring down jackets, hoodies, and accessories for him and her. Okay, so I see the stitching. If you notice the stitching, kind of looks like a snake. I'm loving it. Very nice, creative. Here you have the Moncler as if it was a snake. Creative. I like that. So you have some calligraphy logo cotton t-shirt for $440, sweatshirt for $700. A lot of their coats, you're going to see they range from close to 2,000 plus. So we're going to take a look. Let's go to the men's outerwear. So they are known for their very warm coats. You'll notice their logo. This is their logo. We have new arrivals here. Cardigans. So I'm going to shop jackets and coats under men's. We can sort high to low. So the most expensive right here, we have a down jacket, $7,600. That is very nice. I love this one. This short down, $7,600. Then you have $6,000. This snowboarder right here, look at this one. Ski jacket, $5,400. This is, look how cool. This looks so warm, and look how I love that. That is creative. Love how they put that together. All right, so we have some very, very warm long down jackets right here, $3,500. They have very, very nice coats, jackets. The hooded long down jacket. Great styles, great colors. Very expensive, but beautiful. Absolutely beautiful and warm. I bet you if you try one of these coats on, you're going to fall in love with it. And you're most likely going to buy one. Absolutely. All right, so enough with the men. Let's check out the ladies. All right, we're on women. I'm probably going to like everything. I just have a gut feeling. Yes, yes. Ooh, wow. Jackets and coats, accessories, knitwear. I don't know what to click on. All right, let's go with jackets and coats. All right, so we are in jackets and coats. Let's do the high to low. Love that. That is gorgeous. I think that's very similar to the men's one I like. $8,990. Love that belt. Love the hat. Love the matching boots. Look how long this is. This down coat. That is absolutely amazing. $7,300. That is gorgeous. Her outfit's pretty cool too. Look how cozy. This Malenko padded wool coat. $6,700. But obviously, if you get the coat, you got to get everything else to complete that outfit. Yeah, I had a feeling I would like everything. Look how cute. She looks so cute. This is warm. Very nice. Oh, I like this one right here. Her outfit. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It makes you want to click on one of them just to look. I like this too. Let me just click on what and just take a closer look. You can take a look, zoom in, Even the back is nice. I love the back. I love how they have that zip. Details. Water repellent, windproof, breathable, insulated, stretch. The materials. This is like top of the line, you guys. Materials. Nylon, heat sealed, look, adjustable hood. Bonded logo details, ski cut hem, stretch jersey wrist, powder cuffs, elastic cuffs. Yeah, I want to try that on. Very nice. Look at that. That's gorgeous. This coat. All right, so they got amazing coats over here. Let's take a look at the shoes. I'd love to see their boots. Oh, those look nice. I like those. I like those in like a darker brown though. They probably do come in a darker brown. So they have boots for like $800, $900. I like these sneakers. I'm not a fan of this in the front. The trail grip. I know it's great for the trail, but oh, here, look at the cute. That's so warm and cozy. Look at this. These rain boots. You're not getting wet in those. All right, so we have a bunch of great ankle boots. This is one of my favorites. That is nice. I like that. Then you have some sandals. Very nice. All right, so we were in the women. I was looking at the shoes. They do have accessories. They have special projects, gifts. Would I click on accessories, I think? Yeah, so let's take a look. We have some beanies. We have a crossbody bag for $530. Love the blue. Love this wool beanie with pom-pom right here. That's cute. Very nice. All right, so we are gonna go up, up, up. Collections. So you're gonna see a bunch of collections here. So you guys can browse that. We're gonna go skip to careers, probably stock, investor relations. So on the bottom, if we can get there, this page is very long. Oh wow, it's still going. All right, so corporate, you're gonna have brand information, investor relations, and careers. So you can obviously look at the materials. If you're doing your research project, you should be clicking on all these links and browsing. I'm gonna click on investor relations. You can take a look. There's a lot of links here, careers. Stone Island is another review we're gonna do. There's the Stone Island at the Woodbury Commons as well. Love their logo. So if you want to take a sneak peek, if you don't know anything about Stone Island, right here, I will do another video on them, show you the store, but very expensive also. Great coats, very warm coats. So here's all the investor relations, careers, media, sustainability, all the information. We're going to go back. Let's get back out of not this Moncler group. Let's just go back to the home page. Uh-oh, sorry. We're going to look at, oh, I think we just missed it. The career section. Yeah, right here, I think, or careers. Yeah, we were on it. So we're going to click on careers. We're going to click on Discover More. All right, we want this not in Italian, but in English. Job opportunities. Let's just search, and then we'll get a whole long list. All right, so there's positions in Italy, New York. Let's look at the Communications and Events Manager. This is in New York. I see an internship, so that's good to know. Students, we do have internships available. All right, so we're going to scroll down. I kind of focus on the education, the work experience, and then salary, if it's listed. I don't see anything. It's probably just says competitive like many other companies. No, I don't see anything, but you can click on apply now. Oh, right here, I see it. Base salary is 100,000 to 110. Then they have their own sign-in page. You can create an account. Let's go back. So I did see the salary on that. And then let's go back to, let's find like a little sales associate part-time or even an internship. Let's go to, all right, we're going to sort this United States. New York. We're going to go New York, United States. We're going to search. Let's try to find something. New York, Bloomingdale's, Soho, client advisor, part-time, Soho, Stone Island. Let's take a look at that. All right, so a reasonable estimate of the current base hourly range is $20 to $23 per hour. So they are eligible, and that's your base, because when you're working for a company like that, you are going to be probably most likely paid on commission, and you get benefits, which is great. So a lot of good benefits over here. Hopefully some stock options as well. So you can take a closer look. And I did see they do offer internships. All right, so let's go back to the homepage. Let's go take a look at their YouTube and Instagram. We're going to subscribe.
How do you create genius?
For YouTube.
Are we born with it,
Subscribers.
or can it be attributed to
We're
something?
going to take a look at more links, and then we're going to
Back in the
follow them on
1960s.
Instagram as well. Follow. And we're definitely going to follow all of these other companies. Here's some of the posts.
As genius. At 15, it was down to 12.
So you could watch a few of their YouTube videos. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.